Assalamu alaikum. This is Aisha. Let's begin our lesson. You can see on my whiteboard that a trigonometric function is given to us and we need to find its limit when x approaches to 0. Let's apply the limit directly. Theta approaches to 0. So tan of 0 minus sine of 0 by sine cube of 0. Tan 0, you can check it from calculator. Tan 0 is 0 minus sine of 0 is also 0 by sine of 0 with cube. 0 minus 0 in the numerator is 0 and 0 cube is also 0. So on direct limit we get an indeterminate form 0 by 0, which is not our acceptable answer, and we need to apply some different technique over here. And always remember that sine cube of theta is equals to sine theta whole cube, and sine cube of theta is not equals to sine theta cube. कहने से क्या मुराद है कि आपके पास ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन पे जो पावर आ रही होती है वो ऑन द होल इंटायर फंक्शन की होती है आपके पास, और उसका मीनिंग ये नहीं होता कि वो जो पावर है वो आपके पास एंगल पे है. अगर तो पावर एंगल पे है तो वो जस्ट पावर एंगल की है, बट अगर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन के साथ आ रही है तो वो होल पावर होगी. होपफुली आपको ये बात अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी. लेट्स स्टार्ट. Limit theta approaches to 0. We can rewrite the given function as 1 by sine cube of theta times tan of theta minus sine of theta. Now limit theta approaches to 0. 1 by sine cube of theta as it is tan theta. Tangent function is division of sine of theta by cos of theta. So we can rewrite it as here minus sine of theta as it is. Now limit theta approaches to 0. 1 by sine cube of theta as it is, and you can see in the bracket, in the parenthesis, that sine theta is common in both numbers, sine of theta minus sine of theta. So we can take sine of theta as common from the bracket. So we will get 1 by cos of theta minus 1. Sine outside, sine function outside. So 1 by cos of theta minus 1. Now limit theta approaches to 0. Sine theta will get cancelled with this sine cube, and on balancing them we will get sine square of theta times, whenever we have fractions with positive or negative sign we always take LCM. So cos of theta in the LCM, 1 as it is, negative sign as it is, and cos of theta 1 times cos of theta. Now limit theta approaches to 0. Sine square theta. Sine square theta, we can write sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos of theta by cos of theta as it is. You know really well that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. So from here, sine squared theta will be 1 minus cos square of theta. So we can put sine squared theta as 1 minus cos squared theta. Now limit theta approaches to 0. 1 minus cos square 1 minus cos of x in the numerator, and in the denominator we can write this one as 1 square. So 1 square minus cos square, we can use the formula a square minus b square, which is a plus b times a minus b. So we get 1 plus cos of x times 1 minus cos of x. 1 square minus cos square x is equals to 1 plus cos of x times 1 minus cos of x. Cos of x in the denominator as it is, 1 minus cos of x in the numerator and also in the denominator will get cancelled, and we are left with the expression limit theta approaches to 0, 1 by 1 plus cos of theta times cos of theta. और आपको पता है कि लिमिट में जब भी हमारे पास कॉमन फैक्टर्स आ जाते हैं और वो जब कैंसिल हो जाते हैं, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली उसके बाद जब हम लिमिट अप्लाई करते हैं डायरेक्टली, तो हमारे पास इंडिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म नहीं आती है. Let's apply the limit theta approaches to 0. So theta is 0. 1 plus cos of 0 times cos of 0, which is equals to 1 plus cos of 0 is 1. Cos of 0 is 1. So 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So 1 by 2 is our final answer of the limit of given function when theta approaches to 0. Hopefully all the idea is cleared now. Thank you.